the scrap yard. All right, y'all, take a look at this.
Oh, here she is, all ready to go.
Nice little load. I'm gonna actually try to load up. Matter of fact, I got room for some more. So let me go inside the shop. Add about 3 more engines to this thing. This is a load, but I got room for more, guys. And there's a lot of cleanup. Scrap metals, scrap aluminum need to be cleaned up inside the shop. Okay, this is all big stuff too, so I'm gonna have to get on the scale now. They're gonna have to bring a truck around to load all of this up. So, okay, I thought I was actually full. Either I was full and somebody done robbed me, or I wasn't full and I just got room for more. I can't remember, but last time I remember this thing was full. Anyway, I got room for at least 3 more engines. Let me go inside the shop. Ooh, I wonder if this thing will start. Yeah, y'all didn't see where I keep my hidden key. Please don't come steal my truck. See if this baby will start. Woo! Y'all hear that? Woo, all right, I'm back in the I'm in the shop, guys. All right, let's go out here and see what else I can add to my collection. All right, guys, look what just showed up. So I guess when I pull my truck around, everybody go, the junk man is here. So here goes a junky transmission they want. Good thing I got room. Okay, that can sit right here. All right. So basically, I'm gonna try to grab this transmission, that transmission. I wanted to do some tear down on this, show y'all how to go into the rear end. Nobody's ever going back there. All right, so I'm gonna load this up anyway. All right, I got room for maybe, what y'all think? Maybe 2 more, 3 more maybe. Pretty good size amount of room left. Let's see if we can get some more junk in here. I don't want to end up on a flat. Now I just got this, one of these tires replaced in the rear, because you know that scrap yard got a lot of scrap in the yard part that would, you know, get you on a flat. So, all right, let me get this transmission here on this spot right here. All right, guys, here we go. I'm about to head on out to the scrap yard. What y'all think, man? Couple hundred maybe, 200. Do I hear 250? Do I hear 250? I don't know. This ain't really much, but I need some room. I got some more stuff in here I gotta get out, so I'm gonna have to make room. I don't know, guys. Let's head out here and find out, man. Nobody knows. This stuff is unpredictable, but because it's here for the taking, I figured I'd take it. This time I'm gonna bring a change, because they're gonna have to bring a one of those forklift thingies out there, because I can't pick all this stuff up and pull it out. So let's get it, guys. guys, I'm almost there. Golly, you talking about a rough ride, man. Now, y'all know this is a low rider, right? I'm talking about, like, I barely can go over 30 miles an hour without the whole truck just shaking. All right, guys, here we are. Recycle Center. Pulling up. I know it looks like hell out here. Look at all that junk. Now I'm about to add to it. Man, ever since they combined aluminum with the metal, the pay just went down. Now you can bring an all aluminum engine up here, but you're only going to get the metal price because it's mixed with, okay, 10, 48, 60. I'm not sure what 10, 48, 60 batteries, $21. So the 10 and the aluminum combined was only like 50 bucks. So wow, $76, that's it. I collected a whole lot more last time I was here. So that's what I'm saying. Just because it's big don't mean it's lucrative, guys. But at the end of the day, I can't complain. It was I ain't gonna even say free money because I had to work to get it in the truck, guys. And I had to drive way up here wobbling and shaking and risking. So but it's kind of slow at the shop, so this turned out to be a nice little come up. Processing fee $1, I guess that goes to her. 76. Yeah, I ain't even got enough to leave a good tip. The guy used a forklift, so it ain't like he picked anything up. If they do a lot of work, pick stuff up for me, then yes, I would tip them. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Kind of disappointing and nowhere near what I got last time, but hey, extra money. Extra hustle money, nothing like extra hustle money. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.